how this AI chatbot is going to work. So let's say someone types hey and send on this chat, so automatically this AI chatbot is going to get triggered and it is going to reply them. So you're going to see within seconds it is replying, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm going to ask my question, or you can say I want to type I want to learn Spanish. Just a single line, I want to learn Spanish, and it is going to reply me within seconds. That's fantastic. Alright, so let's ask another question. I want to see the available options for Spanish courses and fees. So I'm going to ask them show available Spanish courses and fees. So we're going to wait for a few seconds and you're going to see over here it is sharing me the same. So this is the available Spanish course. So let's say I'm going to ask some another question, which is how do I book the trial session? So I'm going to type how can I book the trial session, and I'm going to send this, and you're going to see that it is replying me within seconds and sharing me the steps to book the trial session. So yes, you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about my business. So I've uploaded this knowledge base using which it is replying to my customers or my leads. You're going to see over here for the Spanish class, the level is beginners, the duration is 8 weeks and the fees is 8,500, and these are the exactly same details which it shared over here towards the user. So yes, using this knowledge base only, it is solving all the user queries. And yes, if you also want to create this amazing AI chatbot for your own language tutorials, then this video can be really helpful for you, and watch this video till the end. So to do this, first of all, you have to go in the landing page URL of Pabbly Chatflow. Don't worry, you're going to get the landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then once you log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, make sure to add your WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. Go and check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I have already created this AI chatbot, so I'm going to show you how you can also create this. First of all, you have to log in inside Pabbly Chatflow. From the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant. Make sure you first add the WhatsApp number. After you come on this AI assistant, simply going to first select the instruction type. So we have multiple instructions type. If you want, you can give a custom prompt over here and enter the prompt according to your own choice. But we have some pre-built example of this language tutor. You can select the same too, and the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely edit it. You can delete or add something. Otherwise, the instructions are added and you can keep it as same and move on further. The next is temperature. So you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it depends upon you how you wish the AI answers to be. The next is select the AI to use. So I've selected it as OpenAI. For the model, I've selected GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. The next is this API key, which is very important. So how you can get this API key? For that, you have to go towards this OpenAI API key page. The hyperlink is given in the help text, and then you have to go towards this create new secret key button, name your key, select the project, click on this create secret key. Your key will be created. So copy this key, go back towards the AI assistant, paste the key and click on this connect, and you're going to see it is going to say OpenAI key saved successfully. The next is this AI assistant settings. So you can do the settings from here. You can set the header message, footer message. You just have to type the message over here and your header and the footer message will be ready. The maximum is 60 characters for this header and footer message. The next we have is this stop keywords. So you can enter the keywords to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. You just have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. And now what is going to happen is that whenever, let's say, your user types stop, then automatically the AI assistant is going to stop and it is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. So to help your users, what you can do is you can add a footer message like use stop to stop the AI assistant. So once they are going to type stop, the AI assistant is going to stop. So you can definitely add a footer message for the same. And then is this retry attempts. But before we move on towards this retry attempts, you have to keep in mind that type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. The next is this retry attempts, where you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant fails to respond, the valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 3. The next is this fallback message. So over here, you can enter a message which should be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So I'll suggest you enter the email address of your company right over here, that whenever user has some emergency, they can contact you on your email when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. The next which we have is this knowledge source. So as I mentioned that I've created this knowledge source and uploaded this using which my AI chatbot is running and replying so accurately. Alright, so how you can create this? For that, you have to open a blank Google document, enter the knowledge unique to your business in that Google document. After that, you have to go towards this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported by Pabbly Chatflow. You can use TXT or PDF. I'll suggest you go for TXT format because for PDFs, we don't have any page limit for text PDFs. But if you have PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you. I'll suggest go for TXT, go for file, download, and download this in plain text, which is TXT. After you download this, click on this choose a file and you can directly upload your knowledge base from here and your knowledge base will be uploaded. The next which we have is this assistant interface. So you can give a heading which is the name of your brand, which will be displayed here. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely enter it. The next is this initial message. What you can do is you can type the initial message and press enter to add it, and you can only add up to 2 initial messages. The next we have is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display this label, you can keep it as enabled, otherwise you can disable it and it will disappear from here too. Now we have this footer text and footer link, so you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. And same goes for the link. If you add the link, the text will convert into a link, otherwise it will remain into a plain text. The next is this user first message. So you can enter the message to send from the users as the initial message on WhatsApp. I'm going to keep it as hey. You can customize it according to your own need. And now we have this styling. So over here you can style your AI chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the text colors, you can change the shape. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. Now what you have to do is you have to keep in mind that you switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant to save this AI assistant, and it is saying AI assistant saved successfully. So we have created and saved this AI assistant, but how are we going to use it? For that, you have to go towards this embedded. You're going to get this script, so you can copy this script and paste it on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone visits your website and clicks on the start chat, from their end you're going to receive this first message which is hey. Then your AI assistant is going to reply them and solve all their queries. Next, what you can do is you can also assign this AI chatbot to your existing contacts. You can go towards this inbox from the left hand of the site, and let's say you want to assign this AI assistant to a particular contact. So go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant like this. Not only to a particular contact, if you want to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, go towards this settings, then inbox settings, scroll right over here, and then you're going to get the option of enable AI auto replies. Switch it on, select the contact list, select the AI assistant who is going to reply to all of these contacts, and click on this save. Now whenever any contact from this list is going to message, this AI assistant is going to reply. And if you want to learn how to create this contact list, you can go towards this contact section to create one. Otherwise, if you want to learn about detail of this contact or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. With this, we have successfully completed this AI chatbot for language tutors. Now whenever your user is going to message you anything, this AI chatbot is going to solve all their queries even while you are sleeping. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you have any questions related to the video or this AI chatbot, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial install of Pabbly, Chatflow,